Eating the alphabet, fruits and vegetables from A to Z by Louise Ellert. Apple to zucchini. Come take a look. Start eating your way through this alphabet book. A. A is for
spinach.
apricot.
No, apple too.
Apple.
Start with apple.
Artichoke. What else? Avocado.
Even lemon.
No, A. I said A. Asparagus.
What's asparagus?
Asparagus, like this. Asparagus. Blueberry. B is for blueberry. Brussels sprout. Bean. Beet. Broccoli. Banana. C is for currant. Cucumber. Corn. Celery. Carrot. Cherry. Cabbage. Cauliflower. D is for date. E is for endive. Eggplant. Fig. G is for gooseberry. Grapefruit.
Gooseberry.
I haven't tried gooseberry though. Grapefruit. Grapes. H is for huckleberry.
What's a huckleberry?
Huckleberry looks like this one.
Where?
This one.
Wow.
It looks like blueberry. I is for Indian corn. J is for jalapeno.
What about
J is
this?
for jicama. K is for kumquat.
A kumquat?
Kiwi fruit.
This is a kumquat.
Kohlrabi. I haven't tried this vegetables.
You mean kumquat?
Yeah. I'm not sure if I got the correct pronunciation. L is for lemon, leek, lettuce, lime. M is for melon, mango, nectarine. O is for okra, orange, onion. P is for pineapple, peach, pear, persimmon, papaya, pomegranate, plum. P is for parsnip, potatoes, pepper, pea, pumpkin. Q is for quince. R is for raspberry, radish, rutabaga.
What's rutabaga?
Oops, careful. Rhubarb, radish. Some vegetables I haven't tried yet. S is for Swiss chard. S is for spinach. Starfruit.
Do you love star fruits? You
Yeah.
never tried it.
I tried starfruit, right? It's good. S is for strawberry.
Do they make star fruit like that?
Yeah, when you cut it, it's gonna shape like a star. T is for
Even I can make some tiny fruits out of the strawberry.
Yeah, you can. T is for tomato and turnip.
And I can even make some star fruits even out of
Q is for ugly fruit.
What's an ugly
That
fruit?
one. V is for vegetable. Marrow. W is what for watercress or watermelon. X is for zigua. Y is for yam. And Z is for zucchini. All done. Oh, these are the glossary on how we can pronounce it. Where is the other one here? Where is it? Correct. Yeah, we got it correct. Endive or endive vegetable. What else? Here it says he or he comma vegetable. Not giant. It says he comma. What else? Kumquat. Oh, we got it correct.
Kumquat. What's a
Yeah.
kumquat?
Kumquat is native to Eastern Asia, probably China. Something like a tart miniature orange.
Like this one?
It looks like a mini orange. It grows on a small tree. It is often preserved whole or used to make jam.
So that's a kumquat. Kumquat.
Oh, the huckleberry. It says the huckleberry. The shiny black huckleberry native to North America grows on a shrub. It is related to the blueberry but is larger. Inside are 10 hard seeds. Oh, it looks like blueberry, see?
It looks like this little huckleberry. What are these all things doing?
Oh, we got it right. The ugly fruit. I've never seen an ugly fruit. Ugly fruit is thought to be the Far East and to Jamaica. It grows on a tree and is said to be a crossbreeding of the tangerine and the grapefruit. Jamaicans pronounce the name Ogly. All done.